A cracked rock, a flash of sunlight, then gold. Not everywhere, not for everyone, but for the few who know what to look for. The Earth starts whispering secrets, and tonight, you're about to learn 5 mineral signs that changed ordinary people into treasure hunters. Some ignored them, some walked past them, others became rich because of them. Welcome to Pro Gems, where ugly rocks become hidden fortunes, and where the next stone you pick up could change everything. Before the gold appeared, there was always a warning, a clue, a silent signal buried inside the earth for millions of years. Most people never notice it. That's why gold stays hidden. But experienced prospectors, they hunt differently. They don't search for gold first. They search for the minerals around it, and the first sign has fooled people for centuries. Number 1, pyrite, better known as fool's gold. Pyrite. The name sounds harmless, almost embarrassing. But here's the shocking truth. Real gold deposits are often found near pyrite, sometimes extremely close, because both minerals can form under similar underground conditions. Hot fluids, pressure, ancient volcanic systems, the perfect recipe for buried treasure. At first glance, pyrite looks cheap, too shiny, too yellow, almost fake. Before knowledge, people threw it away. After knowledge, miners started following it, and some discoveries became legendary. Picture this: a lonely prospector in the mountains, rain falling, cold wind, no gold for weeks. Then suddenly, tiny metallic cubes inside dark stone, not gold, pyrite. Most beginners would quit right there. But old miners, they keep digging, because pyrite often acts like a trail marker, like footprints leading deeper underground. And sometimes, microscopic gold hides inside the pyrite itself, invisible to the naked eye, locked inside for millions of years. That's the terrifying beauty of gold hunting. The treasure may already be in your hand, and you still can't see it. But there's a dangerous mistake many people make. They trust color alone. Huge mistake. Real prospectors study behavior. Pyrite breaks sharply. Gold bends softly. Pyrite sparkles hard. Gold glows warmly. One is brittle, the other survives centuries underwater. And here's where the story gets even stranger. Some abandoned mines once considered worthless were reopened decades later. Why? Because old miners ignored pyrite zones. Modern testing revealed hidden gold concentrations nearby. Millions of dollars, sleeping beneath forgotten dirt. Imagine that feeling, walking across land people abandoned generations ago, only to discover they quit inches away from wealth. That happens more than you think, and the deeper you go into gold country, the more these patterns repeat. But pyrite is only the beginning, because the second mineral looks far less impressive. Dark, heavy, sometimes ugly, yet experienced prospectors become extremely excited when they see it, especially near quartz veins. Number 2, magnetite. Magnetite black sand. Heavy streaks near rivers. Tiny magnetic grains. Most tourists ignore them completely. Huge mistake, because magnetite often appears in areas shaped by ancient hydrothermal systems, the same systems capable of transporting gold. And rivers reveal this secret beautifully. Gold is heavy, magnetite is heavy too. So when flowing water slows down, both minerals settle together, quietly, patiently, waiting. That's why experienced gold hunters study riverbends carefully, not randomly, never randomly. Before discovery, the river looked ordinary. After discovery, every dark streak became suspicious. Some prospectors even carry magnets before they carry expensive tools, because black sands can reveal hidden concentration zones. And concentration means possibility. But there's another reason magnetite matters. It tells a geological story, a violent one. Ancient magma, extreme heat, mineral-rich fluids rising through fractures deep underground. The Earth was not calm when these rocks formed. It was erupting, breaking, transforming, and sometimes gold traveled with those fluids, locked inside quartz veins nearby. Now imagine standing beside a freezing river in Alaska, or deep in forgotten mountain valleys. You kneel down, wet gravel everywhere. Then you notice black streaks collecting behind larger stones. Heavy material, different from normal sand. You test it. The magnet reacts instantly. Your heartbeat changes, because now the ground is talking to you. And if magnetite appears with quartz fragments, things become very interesting, especially white quartz stained with rusty colors. That combination has started treasure obsessions for generations. Some became rich, others lost years chasing rumors. Because gold hunting is psychological warfare, hope versus patience, logic versus greed, and nature loves confusing humans. Sometimes the signs are perfect, yet there's no gold. Other times, the ugliest location hides unbelievable value. That uncertainty keeps prospectors addicted. But another mineral sign may be even more important than magnetite, because this one creates color changes impossible to ignore. Red, orange, rusty brown, like the earth itself is bleeding. Number 3, hematite. At first, it doesn't look valuable, not glamorous, not luxurious, no sparkling crystals, no bright reflections, just iron-stained rock. But experienced miners stop immediately when they see heavy hematite alteration zones, because oxidation tells stories, especially in old gold systems. Before exposure to air, many gold-bearing sulfide minerals stayed hidden underground. But over thousands of years, water and oxygen transformed the rock. The result? Rust-colored zones, red fractures, burnt-looking surfaces, nature's warning sign, and sometimes nature's invitation. Entire hillsides in famous mining regions turned reddish from iron oxidation. Most travelers saw ugly terrain. Geologists saw opportunity. One abandoned canyon in Nevada looked completely dead from a distance. Dry, hostile, worthless. Then samples revealed gold nearby. Not because gold was visible, because the surrounding minerals were screaming clues. That's the secret nobody tells beginners. Gold rarely introduces itself first, its neighbors do, and hematite can become one of the loudest neighbors of all, especially when combined with quartz. That combination again, quartz and iron staining, a legendary pairing in gold country. Some of the richest discoveries in history started exactly that way. But there's a darker side to this obsession. People become consumed by what if. One red rock becomes 10, then 100, then years disappear. Because hidden treasure changes human psychology. It awakens ancient instincts, exploration, risk, hope, greed, survival. The same emotions that drove men across deserts during the great gold rushes. And tonight, you're beginning to see the world through their eyes. But we're only halfway through the list. Subscribe to Pro Gems, because the earth hides far more secrets than most people can imagine, where hidden minerals become treasure maps, and where ordinary stone can secretly hold unimaginable value. Number 4, chalcopyrite. At first glance, it looks almost magical. Metallic gold tones, rainbow flashes, purple, blue, bronze, like oil floating across water. Beautiful, almost too beautiful. And that's exactly why people underestimate it. Before understanding geology, many collectors kept chalcopyrite because it looked expensive. After understanding geology, prospectors realized something terrifying. Gold deposits often form in the same hydrothermal systems as copper minerals, including chalcopyrite, especially inside fractured quartz veins. Now imagine standing inside an abandoned mine tunnel. Your flashlight cuts through darkness. Dust fills the air. Then suddenly, metallic reflections shimmer from the rock wall. Not gold, chalcopyrite. Most beginners celebrate too early, but experienced miners become cautious instead, because this mineral signals a powerful underground process. Hot mineral-rich fluids once exploded through these fractures. Copper traveled there, iron traveled there, sulfur traveled there, and sometimes gold traveled there too. That's why old mining maps can become incredibly deceptive. Some tunnels chased copper, others chased silver. Then decades later, Modern testing discovers microscopic gold hidden throughout the same system. Millions waiting inside overlooked rock. And this is where treasure hunting becomes psychological warfare again. Because gold rarely appears dramatically at first. No giant glowing nuggets, no movie scenes, just clues, tiny clues, one mineral beside another, one stain beside quartz, one strange metallic shimmer in broken stone. That's how discoveries begin, slowly, quietly, almost invisibly. But chalcopyrite carries another warning. Some prospectors become obsessed after finding it. They stop thinking clearly. Every yellow mineral starts looking valuable. Every rock becomes suspicious. Entire mountains turn into possibilities. An obsession changes people. History proves it. Men abandoned families during gold rushes, crossed frozen rivers, died inside collapsing mines, all because the earth whispered one dangerous sentence: there might be more. That feeling still exists today. Even now, somewhere deep in the mountains, someone is staring at a mineralized rock, wondering if their life is about to change forever. And sometimes, it does. But the fifth mineral on this list may be the most shocking of all. Because unlike the others, it doesn't even look connected to gold. Not obviously. No bright metallic shine, no golden color, no dramatic sparkle. Yet experienced geologists pay very close attention when they see it near altered rock systems, especially in ancient volcanic regions. Number 5. Arsenopyrite. Arsenopyrite, cold silver color, sharp crystal forms, almost steel-like, and yes, it contains arsenic, which makes it dangerous if handled carelessly. But geologically, it's incredibly important, because arsenopyrite is one of the strongest indicators of hydrothermal gold systems on Earth. In some deposits, gold exists directly inside the mineral structure itself. Hidden, microscopic, locked away. Before laboratory testing, the rock looked worthless. After testing, it became extremely valuable. This changed mining forever. Entire regions once abandoned as failures were later reopened because arsenopyrite zones contain invisible gold. And invisible gold is one of the strangest ideas in mining. Think about it. Treasure hidden inside another mineral. Not visible, not obvious, but still there. Waiting for the right technology, the right knowledge, the right person. Now picture an isolated hillside in the American West. Wind moving through dry grass. Old wooden mining structures collapsing nearby. Everyone assumes the mine died decades ago. Then modern exploration teams arrive. They study altered rocks, quartz veins, iron staining, sulfur minerals. Then they find arsenopyrite. Everything changes. Suddenly, old waste rock becomes valuable again. Drilling begins. Testing begins. Hope returns. That's the power of geological clues. And here's the deeper lesson hidden beneath all 5 minerals. Gold hunting is not really about gold. It's about patterns, observation, patience, reading the language of the earth. Because the planet leaves fingerprints everywhere. Pyrite, magnetite, hematite, chalcopyrite, arsenopyrite. Each one tells part of the story. Separately, they may mean nothing. Together, they can become a roadmap toward hidden wealth. And that's exactly how legendary discoveries happen. Not by luck alone, but by understanding signs most people ignore. A rusty fracture, black sand near river bends, metallic crystals inside quartz, ugly rocks with strange staining. The average person walks away. A trained eye slows down, looks closer, and sometimes that decision changes everything. But there's another truth few people admit. Gold changes human behavior long before it changes someone's bank account. It creates obsession, dreams, paranoia, hope, fear. Some become rich. Others lose themselves chasing almost. Because nature never guarantees treasure. It only leaves clues. And that mystery keeps prospectors searching generation after generation, even today. Somewhere right now, a forgotten hillside may already contain gold. A dry riverbed may still hide flakes beneath black sand. An ugly quartz vein may conceal value nobody recognizes yet. That possibility is addictive, And perhaps that's the real treasure. Not just gold itself, but the feeling, the hunt, the moment before discovery. Before, it was just another rock. After, it became proof that hidden value can exist anywhere, even in places people overlook every single day. So next time you see strange minerals in broken stone, don't rush past them. The Earth may be trying to tell you something. And if you enjoyed this journey into hidden geological secrets, subscribe to Pro Gems, because the next story may reveal treasures even experienced collectors are afraid to touch. And trust me, some discoveries should have stayed buried forever.